How do you say sorry in Irish? Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to apologize while traveling in Ireland? Knowing how to express yourself in the local language can make a big difference. Let's look at how to say sorry in Irish, also known as Gaeilge, and how it can enhance your travel experience. In Irish, one common way to say sorry is tá brán orm, which means there is sadness on me. This phrase is perfect for expressing regret about a mistake or an unfortunate situation. For example, if you accidentally bump into someone while walking through a bustling street in Dublin, saying tá brán orm shows that you acknowledge the mishap and care about the other person's feelings. Another useful phrase is gab mo leithsil, which translates to accept my excuse. This is often used as a polite way to apologize or to get someone's attention. If you need to pass by someone in a crowded pub or want to interrupt a conversation, saying gab mo leithsil will be appreciated. It's a friendly way to navigate social situations while showing respect for the Irish language. You might also hear tá é fiala orm, which means there is regret on me. This phrase is more formal and can be used when you feel genuinely sorry about something. For instance, if you missed a planned tour or let someone down, this phrase conveys a deeper sense of regret. Using these phrases during your travels in Ireland can really impress the locals. People in Ireland appreciate when visitors make an effort to use their language, even if it is just a few basic phrases. It shows that you respect their culture and are willing to engage with it. When you are out and about, remember that a simple gab mo leithsil can go a long way in making connections. It can help you navigate social interactions smoothly and create a friendly atmosphere. So, whether you are apologizing for a small mistake or expressing heartfelt regret, knowing how to say sorry in Irish can enrich your travel experience. It's a small effort that can lead to meaningful interactions and a deeper appreciation for the beautiful culture of Ireland.